What's up, guys? Happy holidays. We got ourselves a Lexus is350 2023. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm so this guy doesn't wake up in the middle of the night with 4 bricks and his rims and tires missing, or airbags or whatever they're stealing up in these vehicles. So that shock sensor adds on to the factory alarm. All these cars come with factory alarm. The only thing they don't come with any type of impact sensor. The only way it works is somebody opens the door. So by adding the shock sensor, the end results will be like if you would install an aftermarket alarm without having to carry an extra fob around. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the window. That sets off the alarm. And somebody bangs on the tires, it will set it off as well. When you arm the factory alarm, it always has a delay. It has a little picture of a lock and right by the left hand side of the radio. It's solid. In about 30 seconds it will start flashing. Anybody out of state that wants to do this add-on to your vehicle, which is crucial, give us a call at 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814, and we can guide you how to get this done as soon as possible. In Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and Homestead, give us a call and we do come out to you. We have free mobile service. Thank you for watching this video and happy holidays. Oh, I forgot to show you the tire.